Hey my queens, so this might be up a day before my birthday, and hopefully it is because we're 2 days away, 2 days and counting. If it is, I'm hoping to be able to go live on my birthday. I'm going to attempt it. Y'all know how my signal is around here, but I am going to attempt it. I do have some goodies here. Miss Stephanie, Bizybeauty, sent me my birthday box. Plus, my husband was gracious enough to get me a box from her, which is all I ever asked for my birthday or any holiday. The box from Stephanie, because y'all know, if y'all got a box or if y'all seen my boxes, y'all know they are effing epic. Because I've been having purchases, withdrawals. Then I'm on a tight budget right now and haven't really been able to buy nothing. So so I saw the boxes, I was like, ah! So I had to open them. But I am going to show y'all what I got. So these right here are peeling masks. Guys, I can't wait to do a look with this. I might actually do one tonight. But I don't know if y'all seen, it's been around, but it's not like the biggest trend yet. But to do a peeling mask is you literally take a mask and put it on, and then you put the eyeshadow around it, and you have a badass, quick, easy way to do like a masquerade look, Halloween look, any party look. So she sent me a whole bunch of different ones to try. I'm really excited about this one. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's a bat. And then this one looks like it's got like little bunny ears. I want to try it the way that everybody else has, is with the eyeshadow. And then I want to try it with eyeshadow pencils, like the eyeliners and stuff. And see which one is like cleaner looking, nicer looking. Because that's just epic. Then she sent me a whole bunch of super fresh all over cleaning towelettes. Now, again, these are not like makeup wipes. These are like the wipes you use after the makeup wipes to make sure everything's off. And I'm glad because I'm almost out of mine. Oh, she does. I go through towelettes and wipes like no other. See this cute little headband. She sent me some Tree Hut birthday cake. Because it's my birthday. Get it? If this was only edible. If it was only edible. I'm going to try to like kind of speed through this because I have her box plus another box. And I want to be able to get through it without it being too long and not getting it uploaded. This is birthday cake limited edition moisturizing shaving oil. This is the best oil ever to shave with. I have a couple of them. We got some face mask. You can never have enough face masks. Because not only do I use them, but my kids use them, my mom uses them. We all do it as a family. It's like a little family time. Some more face masks.
Face mask?
Yep, a little bit of everything. Usually, Luna always supposed to see these, and they're like, hey, you know what they're for, you know where to go.
I love face mask.
You want a face mask? Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Then I've got a smoothing vibe refreshing body serum. You put on after the shower. I'm going to smooth the noise. We have a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tightening Toner. I absolutely love this toner. I've had little ones and I go through it like it's no other. This one is a little bit special because it is rainbow.
Rainbow.
It's so pretty. Sneak peek. This is a lip gloss in Dazzling by Translucent Beauty. Look how pretty. I love the packaging, like I said. I already know it's going to smell like good, but just because.
Yeah.
What does it smell like? What does it smell like?
Ice cream.
It smells like ice cream. Y'all have heard it from her mouth, personally.
Ice cream. No.
Look how freaking cute. These are the cutest. I'm going to hang these on my purse. Like, just a perfect size for lip gloss, lipsticks, what have you. Anything small. She did put me in a little surprise. She knows I love Glow Recipe. Glow Recipe is my jam. I literally wear Glow Recipe every single day. Every day. We got some Sip and Scrub. Making it up. What was that, your passy?
Yes.
Blessed by the Buddhist monks to inspire pride and confidence. I love doing the gods. If y'all have not tried any Do With The Gods, make sure you, if you're getting a box from Stephanie soon, because she is reopening really soon, I promise. And kind of staying up with everything because there is some changes coming. We are official company now. Look at this pen. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It's like crystallized.
I like it.
Then got some more eye mask. This is Hemp Beauty Active Sweet Jasmine and Rose Body Moisturizer. I love how she takes everything up so it don't spill out. Ooh, that smells so good. This is about to stay right here. Put your foot down. Sent me a little perfume bottle, and she added a little bit of perfume in there. It's really good. And these are the ones that you take the lid off the perfume and just refill. That way you can pop it in your purse and you don't gotta worry about taking your whole bottle and it busting or having the space for it. Really convenient. Then she sent me an Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss and sparkling garnet. Look up. And then a lifter gloss by Maybelline in the shade Stone, which I absolutely love that color. We got some honey pots. It's a lip scrub and mask duo. Luna, wait, watch out. These are the freaking cutest. So you have two little wands, like little honeycombs, which I thought was really, really cute. Oh, let's stick those back in there because they're so little and petite. I don't want them to get lost. And then you have a lip scrub. Look at it. And she's holding the lip mask. So, you know, of course, you would do your lip scrub first.
Yep.
And then your lip mask to make everything so soft.
I'm cute. I'm cute. I'm so cute. I like it, baby. Oh. It's Boomer. I'm up on my wig. On my wig?
Yeah, she put it on your lips. Look how cute. So this is going. Well, you have to stop, baby. Then she sent me the Winnie the Pooh palette. Luna, stop. The Winnie the Pooh palette. Sweet as can be. This is by ColourPop, if y'all are wondering. Look how pretty. Y'all, I would have been stupid crazy if it hadn't been for Stephanie the past couple of months. Like, I literally don't know where it will be. I have been going through some things, and she has been right there. She sent me the warrior. Where's pink? I love gourmet girls. Look how gorgeous. And I have not been able to get a couple of their palettes, so to get this palette is epic. And this is contribute to Saria. If y'all are OG of mine, y'all know Saria. She was one of my amazing followers. Really, really amazing friend. She was on IG talking about how her mom had breast cancer. If y'all do not know, my best friend Bobby, mom, had it, and literally lost her battle. And so I'm definitely doing a video contribute to Bobby for that. Then, last but not least, look at this bad boy. Huda Beauty. Okay, I was shook. You open this up and you got a Huda lipstick. Stop, Luna. Which is absolutely gorgeous. And it's a magnet. She sent me a huge Australian mascara by Stila. I'm not going to open that up. I try not to open up the mascaras until I get ready to use it. Sent me 2 Huda matte and metal shadows. Try and put everything up as I go. Empowered.
Yeah.
I've been eyeballing this palette, but it's just, oh, it's so expensive. And here lately, the only thing I've been able to do is eyeball palettes. So look at that. Look how gorgeous. Perfect fall palette. Like, hello. And this is a cream. So it'll be a good base for the dark shades. And then look at the shade. Look. I'm really excited to try this. What did I do with it? Okay, there's the color here. Alright, so that's everything from Stephanie. Freaking epic, right? Like, so many goodies. So many goodies. Oh, and then a Pat McGrath eyeshadow. I got a little thing where I put all my face masks and stuff, so I keep up with them. Gotta make me some room, guys. Alright, so next is Mara's lip box. And look. It's a Jimmy Choo. Look how freaking pretty. It opens up like that. And it's a nice size little purse for everyday use. You got 2 little pockets in here. One with a zipper, one without. A nice little size. Like, you put quite a few things in there. And she sent me a lipstick one. Look how pretty. And then over here, in this little bag, we have some chapsticks. Because you can't never have enough chapsticks when you have kids. Everybody always takes my chapsticks, or my lip scrubs, or my lip balms. And I think this is like the coolest. Because I keep so many in here. So I might just like keep it like that, and that way whenever somebody's with me or my kids and they want one, just grab it right here, put it back in there. Look how freaking cute these are. They're little straw covers. So this is a duck. I love the paw, and I've got a black cup, so I'm definitely putting this one on my black cup. It closes it up. And it's like a tour because I want to put that one on there, but then I want to put this one on there. And I might put this one on my Mountain Dew can. Because I use straws for everything. Some gems, because I love putting gems on my face. Cheers. So sweet, gooey butter jumbo lip balm cake. So it's butter cake. I've never tried one of these, but these are like the little barrel things, and my daughters were trying to steal it. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. You smell a little bit of the alcohol when you first spray it, but after it's just there. We got a split-end treatment mask. I love these. The truly little masks are really good for your hair. Then she sent me some spatulas. So I can scrape out my makeup or, you know, mix them. You got a spatula on one end and then split it on the other, which is really cool. Yep. I have one for here and one for my purse. Y'all, are y'all ready for this? Smoke sessions! Look how gorgeous this palette is. I love Milk Cosmetics. Y'all already know. Look how gorgeous. I don't need that anyways. Hold on one second, y'all. Sorry, hubby called in the middle of. Always when I'm doing a video. Always. It never fails. Yeah. Are you ready for this? I got the 3 keyboard. This is their first ever setting spray. I'm so freaking stoked to try it. And look at this bottle. Look at it! I love me some Glen Light. And Dee did not disappoint with this collection. Look though. And it unscrews. So like you can fill it up. Depending on how I like the formula, it does smell really good. Then this is the Rick holographic lip kit. You've got the lippy and the lip pencil. And definitely keeping all the packaging. I try not to be a package hoarder anymore, but there's just certain ones you've got to keep. And this is going to be one of them because I really do like the show. This is what the lip. It's like very pretty and shiny. And then the pencil just has Ricky and Morty. It's so funny. Put that right there. And last but not least, and you're going to be so glad that you stuck around. Look at the palette. It is 3D. This is a spaceship. The lettering in the spaceship is bubbled. And look at that. And yeah, those are my favorite prints because I just couldn't. I really do like this shade, and I'm not even a dark shimmer person, but look. And then I want to show y'all this one. Like, look how pretty. And then let me get you a bright one. So I'm definitely going to be doing a look probably with that. So this is what it looks like. It's got topper. This one right there could be a definitely inner corner, gorgeous inner corner, but also like a little highlighter. So if you're like out and about and you accidentally like forget your highlighter, ta-da! There you go. Yeah. Definitely stoked for this. So that is my birthday boxes from Stephanie and my hubby. They blow it out of the park every freaking time. Like, I am just so grateful for both of them. And again, like I said, I don't know where the hell I'll be. The past couple of months have been really hard on, you know, me and Mario, not just me. And Stephanie has been our rock, like, support system out the yin yang. I'm grateful to have her as a friend. I love y'all. Thank you again, Stephanie. Thank you, Mario. You always doing the most. And I think I'm good on mask for a little bit. Make sure you're subscribed. As soon as we get to 2K, guys, giveaway time. I have been accumulating stuff left and right. I believe I am ready for it. My face is starting to swell again. I hope it ain't swollen on my birthday. Hi.